how we can draw a picture. First, we have to see applications, graphics, color paint, KOLOUR paint, application, graphics, color paint. First, we have to draw a canvas, that is using that rectangle. We have to press the rectangle and then draw a canvas where our picture has to come. So now a canvas is being drawn. So canvas is over. Now next is we have to draw a mountain, what is given in the picture. So click line tool, and the length of the line is at the bottom. That is the length of the line. Whichever you want, you can select. Now start drawing the line. Click the mouse and drag the mouse. Stop where you are to stop. Again turn it. Again stop. Release the mouse. Again pick the mouse. Again stop there. Again start drawing till the end. But one thing you have to remember, there should be no gap in between. No lines should be always touching each other. So now I am clearing that small gap if it is there. No gap should be there. So air should not go out. So I am drawing, filling that mountain area. Line is being drawn. So you can draw according to your will and fancy. So now a mountain is over drawn. The next thing is we have to draw using pen tool. Draw the fields. So thin line is enough. That is why a river is being drawn first. So it is as my hand is going on. River is not straight lines. That's why it's cross and send from one corner to the another. Now again second side. So that also is finished. Now a side small place should be drawn. As per your picture, is there a small near the river, one side river or some field is there. Now the paddy fields I am going to draw the lines. Paddy fields will be having the small lines, what you can see here. That is what I am drawing now. Clear? And in the bottom also same way, at the top and the bottom field, paddy fields we are drawing. That lines should be there, then only it looks nice. So again the top also is over. Now I have to give the color paint, that is bucket flood fill tool. Clicked and then click the colors, whichever color we want for each and other one. Now first I am giving the color blue color to that sidewards river. Next again I am clicking the flood fill tool, changing the color for the mountain. Now as there is no gap, only that triangles are being filled. Now again next color for the paddy fields. That also is over. Now in between we should have one more color, light blue. Now press there and then fill that color. So if you want to change, you can change the color and press once again. So the color is being changed. So as per your requirements, the color can be again and again, over and over you can change. Now we have to draw a coconut tree. So I am taking a thick line. From there I am drawing two coconut trees are there in your picture. So as I have used the last color as the green, the color of also is coming green only. So if you want, you can change the color. If you want, you can rub using rubber. So rubber if you use means that line will come there. So I am cancelling that by using Control undo, black color is taken, and I am change that to click there on that line only, not anywhere else, and I am drawing over that line once again, so that it is better to have a black one only. Now one more tree, black, two coconut trees are there, so both is being drawn. Now the coconut leaves should be there. You have to take the polygon tool. That polygon tool, that picture is, I have clicked there, that is polygon tool. When you click there, you can see that polygon tool also. You just see once if you draw, that line itself will come again, so a triangle type came there. So click there, and I am going cutting that, and again I am clicking there and taking once again, because separate lines are necessary, otherwise all joined lines will come. So as per your skill, you can draw the different leaves one after the other, coconut leaves. So the tools what we have used almost is pen line tool first for drawing the mountain, then straight lines we have drawn, then we took the pen tool to draw the paddy fields and the rivers, then polygon tool to draw the coconut tree leaves, and again we gave the bucket fill, flood fill tool, that bucket type thing, for giving the different colors. So one thing you have to remember, if there is a gap in between any of the triangles or rectangles and other things, the color will flow out. That I will show you how the color will show out before closing this picture. So this is how you have to draw the picture in the computer. So those who are having the computer at home, you can try it. Otherwise, don't worry, we can try when you come to the class in the school. So the tree may be as per your skill. Again polygon tool only I am taking. A small one more coconut tree is necessary, but we have hope you are understanding how to draw the picture very clearly without any mistake. So hope you may also have understood how to draw this small picture. In the same way, you can draw any picture you like with the help of color paint. Remember that the spelling of color paint is KOLOURPAINT, color paint, not COL. The software name itself is color paint. It's a free software that we are using in IT at school, Linux, using Linux software. Clear? Now we can give the color to the leaves. Again flood fill tool, bucket picture, give the coconut tree leaves color. Go and click in each and every triangle that is you have drawn in the top of the tree. So one is over. In the same way, for the second picture also, you have to fill it. There also you are filling it. Just after selecting the color, just click the C. Now it has gone out. So I am undoing it by clicking Ctrl Z, because by mistake there is some gap in somewhere when I pressed. So that's what happened. So if there is any gap means the color will go out. So now it's okay. Now we have to give the color to the sky. Sky color should be taken. That color, see, I tried to draw that color for that black. Again it came. I did undo by Ctrl Z. Again see, filling automatically it's going, color is changing. So again undo. So what I can do is only take the pencil tool and draw the picture once again, that to make that coconut tree's trunk in black color. I am taking the black color pencil, thick line, and drawing to make it black once again, then only it looks nice. Now we have to give the color to the sky also, finishing to finish the picture. So taking the color once again, blue, like sky blue color, and just click the bucket flood fill tool and press there. So now all the color is over. Now we only one thing you have to do is just save by giving the file name. So our picture is over. This is how we have to draw using color paint.